We are getting packed up to do our first winter camp this season. So little did we know that we were going to also... Is that your snack?
Yeah.
Yeah, Cal's eating a snack while we're packing up. Cody and I got food poisoning. Let's see, today is Sunday, so on Friday night into Saturday, Cody and I had food poisoning. But we had already planned to do this trip with a couple other family friends, so we're just kind of getting all of our stuff together and trying to make it out. We are going to the, we're gonna camp along near the Knik Glacier, and we're gonna use our Arctic oven tents to stay nice and warm. So we're just kind of packing up, getting all of our gear together, packing up all of our food.
No.
And we're gonna go in the snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Cal is very excited.
We just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We're super excited to transition into spring and summer here in Alaska and continue going on a bunch of family trips together, hunting and fishing and camping. If you guys have any questions, you let us know. But we're super excited for everything that's to come, and stick around and stay tuned.